The first principle of Anusara yoga is setting the foundation and opening to grace. And it's the only principle that has two interwoven, which is to say that neither one can come before the other. So setting our foundation is incredibly important. That's our own personal experience of what we're doing. In the case of a yoga pose, it's where we would place our hands for downward facing dog and the balls of the feet at the end of the pose. It's where we would place our feet for standing position. In other areas in our life, it could be where we find ourselves landing with what is truth and what we believe in and what we think is right action. So setting the foundation is incredibly important. And then on top of that, or not even on top of that, inside of that, at the same time, is we're opening to grace. So we're not just doing this by ourselves, we're doing this and having our experience as a human and an individual within the realm of the whole. So we find our breath, we open to grace, we bring in that we are connected with. We bring in divine source, we bring in God, we bring in light. And so when we are setting our feet in a pose, and then we're able to breathe and have that feeling of, okay, everything is just coming together on all layers of my experience here, it's because we are also opening to grace. We are stepping out of our door and we are remembering who we are and what we believe in our right action. We can have that understanding that we are part of something bigger and that we are supported and that our actions actually do in turn affect the whole. So that's the first principle of Anusara yoga, setting the foundation and opening to grace.